Hello there, I'm Ree with WTI, and I have to show you the world's softest slipper. It's a sock slipper. They're so comfortable. You have to try these. I'm telling you, you feel like you're walking on clouds. So first of all, these are 2 years old. I wear them almost every day, and look at how great they have stood up. And the inside, do you see how soft that Sherpa is? And the padding, I don't even know how to describe how thick that padding is. Do you see that? I'm telling you, walking on clouds. I also really like the back, the bottom, because they're grippy but not too grippy. They're very small, if you see that. And the material is super stretchy, so it doesn't feel too heavy, it doesn't feel too tight, it's just right. I'm telling you, you have to try these, or you can be that incredible, thoughtful friend and give these to someone that's working from home or staying at home right now. They will be forever grateful to you, and that's my point of view.